Hello guys, welcome back to Glamno Connect Hair Studio. Let me just tell you guys, if this audio is not going to be clear, it's because just when I was about to start recording, the rain started falling. And I'm at a point where I'm not going to let these rains get in the way of me giving you content. Yes guys, so we are doing a very simple style today. It's updo. Over here in Kenya, that is, we call them Swahili updo. And in this particular case, we are doing the curved pattern at the back. I think that is the main focus of this video. So first of all, we just want to start by identifying the middle part where all the other cornrows are going to fall. It's very important because again, it will ensure that you don't run out of hair as you braid. Sawa. I hope that is clear. Another thing is this. You see, the first part is very important. You have to get it right, because if you get it right, the others will just follow. It may take you a while to just, do it not perfectly per se, but do it well. But once you do it well, the others will just, follow. So what you are seeing right now is just us trying to get the first part correctly, because if you get it correctly, the rest will just follow. After that, you just want to go in with your gel. I have mentioned in the videos we've done before that we use the molding gel. Most of the time we use Sedoso, but of late we identified, I think I'll show it in the next video, we came across this gel. It's called Bamsi. The hold, you guys, the hold is so good. You should try it. Yeah, so tumegawagawa braids. The next thing is you just want to add your braids as you go, as you do the cornrows. Usually you can count if you feel like you might not get the exact same size for all the cornrows, but I guess if you've done it quite a number of times, it will be easier for you to just know when to stop adding. But for beginners, I'll advise that you add as you count so that all your cornrows have the same number of pieces. You understand? Like izo braids umegawa. Another thing with cornrows is that you don't want to do like the no ones. You just want to do as you continue braiding, you add less and less hair so that it's neater, and also there is just a way they look, when they're not bulky and big. So you make sure that you reduce the number of pieces you add as you go upwards. Yes, so you see the importance of the middle part that I was telling you about. It will lead you, literally. It will lead you to a point so that all your braids will fall that particular point. So you don't have to worry about getting the last braid and then you don't have any place to fix it. You understand? Yes. Thank you guys. It's been a while since we uploaded a video, but we are back. We are back. We took a short break. And for those who are still here and you're still following and you're still learning, thank you so much. If you've been trying the styles and you're not getting them right, guys, don't give up. This thing takes a lot of practice, as I usually tell you people. So again, you just want to see the way the braids are being added, and you realize that our client has long hair and it's thick. Another reason why the braids are not added as much, because her hair already acts the braid, akona nywele mingi. Sasa hakuna haja kuongeza braids mingi. Juu kiongeza braids mingi inamaanisha itanona, and then they'll look bulky and they'll look not as neat. You understand? It's a very beautiful style, especially for summer when you don't want to have the bulky braids and all. I'd really advise you go for this updo. You understand? And they don't always have to be straight. You can play around with the patterns, and this is just one of the ways we are showing you that you can make this particular hairstyle a little bit interesting. You understand? Yes, guys. So if you still feel like you're struggling to get the braiding right or the parts right, yeah, you're on the right track. Just continue doing what you're doing, and yeah, also don't forget to share your thoughts with us, comment, subscribe. Please don't go without subscribing. It's so encouraging to see a number of you guys just loving on our content. And it's also an amazing journey because now we are growing, and also the pressure is a little bit high to deliver. But again, we just want to be like to focus on the goal, which is to help you as a beginner or as someone who is trying to like build your career as a hairstylist, to know where to start. And that is why I encourage you guys, like don't be shy. Like, just ask any question. If you're in a position to answer, we will answer you, because our work here is just to make sure that you get it right. And also, just to mention, just because you are here and we are telling all these things and showing you the different style doesn't mean we are perfect. There are some things we'll not get right. So if you know a way of doing something that is better than how we do it, please just go ahead, or even share with us if you feel like your way is easier and more efficient. Because one thing about Glam Look Connect Hair Studio is that we are open to learning. We will highly appreciate if you do it in a respectful way. Yes, so as you can see, we just decided to fast forward that part because, now, like, it's the same thing. It's just following the pattern and, until the last braid, or rather the last cornrow at the back. Also, we're done with the back. So the front part is a little bit easier, if you ask me, because now the cornrows are just like straight. The main focus was the back part. That is why we needed the pattern art. Yes, and also if you want to achieve this style, it's actually easier to start from the back. There is no any particular reason. You can start from the front, but I usually feel like when you start the back, it's easier when you're done. The front part is usually like, no brainer. Like you can just do it with your eyes closed. No, I'm joking, guys. If you can do it with your eyes closed, then you are a genius, So, guys, I think up to that point, I hope you get to learn or you've picked one or two things that will be useful to you. If you'd want us to do any other style, maybe the cornrows, or there is any other video that you'd want us to upload, maybe related to this or even other styles, let us know. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching, especially if you watched up to this point. I just want to say thank you so much. We appreciate you. We appreciate you taking your time. We appreciate you like subscribing and watching our videos up to this level. Yes, guys. And before I forget, just also make sure you follow us on all our social media platforms. We are on we're on Facebook, but not much. We're on Instagram at Glam Look Connect Hair Studio. We have a TikTok account at Glam Look Connect Hair Studio, so that also you are informed when we upload videos and also the styles that we plan to have for you guys. Otherwise, thank you so much. Make sure you watch the video till the end to see the final look, because I can assure you guys it's fire. There it is. Anyway, bye.